Hello, Namaskar, and welcome to day 6 of this series of short videos on one day, one Excel function. So, today's function is very simple, but yes, most of us are unaware about the wonderful way to use it within no time. So, let's quickly do some function. So I'll tell you three ways. One is the long cut, one is supposed to be a shortcut, but it is not the shortcut, and third is the actual shortcut. So let's start. Say we have the data in this format and we want to sum it up, say all the English marks and then all the marks of this particular person's. Let's start with the long cut. We all know the formula starts with an equal to sign. A long cut is to select the cell, then click on add sign. Select the cell and then click plus. Keep on selecting the cells, keep on clicking on plus sign, this thing, and then bracket close and then enter. And how do we do this? By dragging it over. Now number two is which we supposed to be it's a shortcut, but it is actually not, by starting it with sum and then this thing, opening the bracket, selecting the range, bracket close, enter, and dragging it. Done. Now I'm going to share with you the actual shortcut to do the sum function, and before that I'm just now what you have to do is to select the entire data, the numbers, select one more column from here and one more row from here. And now alt plus equals to, see the magic, in just no time it has calculated everything. So this is the actual shortcut. Hope you have liked this video. Keep on sharing and meet you on day 7. Till then, please take care. Jai.